Hi, my name's Tom Dolder. I've come here to explain a little bit about the VacUpack Elite to you. It's a very simple and easy to operate machine. It's stainless steel, as you can see, and it is a channel style machine. So it's very easy to load. It has a crimping heat seal bar in it, or the heat bar actually crimps the bag shut more than just sort of seals it on a flat surface. The VacUpack Elite is a very simple and easy to operate machine. There are 6 buttons across the top which control all of its functions. The on-off button, so when it's at rest, you just turn the machine off and the first light will be red when it's off. When you want to turn it on, push and hold that button down. All the lights will light up. The circuit boards in there will think for a minute and it will come to what I call its default setting. So the seal time always defaults to number 3. I like to run just a dry bag, or if you're just sealing the open end of the bottom end of an open bag or an open roll of material, run the heat cycle at its number 2 setting. The automatic mode is used to turn the machine on and then run the heat cycle as the machine sees fit. And the manual cycle is for running the machine and turning the heat cycle on when you see fit. So let's just make a bag and we'll show you how this thing works. If you're using a bag material that's on a roll, because this machine does not have a bag roll storage compartment or razor blade in it, one of the things we'd like to explain to you is how to seal the bottom end of a new bag effectively. So take a little material off the roll, and this just gives you an open tube that you need to seal one end of to make a bag. Aim the bag so the open end of the bag is just on the heat bar, but not into the channel. Close the lid. We'll demonstrate the automatic mode for you first. So just push the button and let the machine draw a vacuum. And the heat cycle will turn on automatically with this machine at this point. So as soon as the light starts blinking, that means the heat cycle is working. And when the machine shuts off, you will have created a vacuum on the bottom end of your bag. So now we've effectively sealed the bottom end of an open tube of bag material. Now we're going to suck something up for you. So we've got some M&Ms here. We'll show you how the manual setting works on this next operation. So in the manual setting, this time since we are going to evacuate the air from the bag, the open end of the bag needs to sit just inside the channel this time. Make sure your bag lays flat across the heat seal bar. Clamp it in. And we're going to use the manual setting, which will turn the pump on. And as soon as that machine starts to pull a vacuum in there, you can push the heat cycle as you want to or as you see fit. So this comes in pretty handy if you're doing things that are wet or juicy. You can actually stop the heat cycle anywhere you want. And or if you're doing something that requires a little bit less vacuum, like a loaf of bread, you can hit the heat cycle before it actually starts to crush things. So thanks for watching the VacUpack Elite. This is our latest machine that carries the VacUpack name. It sucks good, it seals good, it has very simple, easy to understand controls. So if you can't figure out how to make it work, or you just need to ask some simple questions, or even some complicated questions, give me a call. My name's Tom. I'm at 1-800-227-3769. Thanks.